Good morning, guys. So today is Saturday, February 1st, and I thought it would be fun to vlog a typical weekend at college. Going to school in LA, my weekends are a little bit different just because there's so much to do all the time. Also, it's February 1st and it's 80 degrees, so might even have a little beach day. We'll see. I have no concrete plans this weekend except for a sorority meeting on Sunday, and yeah, that's literally it. So weekend is whatever I want it to be. It's gonna be very fun. So it's about 10:50 right now. I don't always sleep in this late, but I got in pretty late last night. I went home for literally 16 hours, so it was a lot of flying and I'm really tired, so slept in, and now I'm just on my way to the gym. I'm gonna get that done and then I can start my day. So let's go. I've somehow managed to get ready in 15 minutes, but it's about 12:15 right now, and we're gonna go to Malibu. I've never actually been to Malibu before besides just to get dinner. I've never even been there during the day before, and I've definitely never gone to the beach. So we're gonna get lunch, have a little fun beach day. I'll show you guys my little outfit here. So this little fun polka dot wrap dress is from Reformation, and then I've got just some Tory Burch white flip-flops, and then these pink sunglasses I got from a little side street thing on Abbot Kinney. Literally didn't even have time to shower after the gym, so that's the energy we're going with today. We've had amazing weather so far this year, and my friend group has only gone to the beach twice, I think, this whole year, so I'm really excited to go again. Also, I can't believe it's February 1st and I'm going to the beach. How amazing is it to live here? So cool. It's about 40 degrees where I live at home, so this is definitely a step up. Also, as you can hear, my computer is really working hard to upload this video. It's at 95% processed, so pretty much almost there. This might be the first time in a really long time I've actually not had too much trouble with uploading my videos. My computer always has some kind of problem, but this one went pretty smoothly. So once that's done processing, I should be ready to go. Okay, and we are done. And now, off to the beach.
I've got the time to show my love and what it's all about. Fading up, fading down below the laser guns.
We're here. This literally feels like we're on vacation. It's so strange living here.
It's not a vacation for me because I'm a local.
Oh, the locals.
Just kidding.
It's so pretty.
This is beautiful.
This is perfect beach weather. Wow. I'm just so happy right now. It's so pretty. Casual weekend, college life.
No, wait, move over here, buddy.
Hi, Puppy. Oh. Okay, perfect spot. Jack, you want to be in the vlog?
Oh yes, yes. What do I say?
Whatever you want.
Tell us about how why you didn't bring a towel.
Oh,
I brought a
yeah.
towel today, felt seen in it.
It really is.
How it is out
And you
here.
paid $50 for parking?
I paid $50 for parking in Malibu, so
Honestly, what would you guys do without us?
I know.
I think it'd be absolutely fine to be honest with you.
He's throwing rocks. What is he doing?
There you go, Miss Elbows.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Oh yeah,
Fries.
these portions. Oh my
They're
god.
perfect.
Okay, kind of worth $50. Oh no, adventure. I feel on the other side of the cliff thing, and
I know,
I
I'm getting good vibes.
Oh yeah. Here's the sun.
Take pictures, leave footprints.
Aww. Oh, it's really pretty. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I want to get in. Jordan. Oh, I can't really see you.
I want to get in.
Oh my god, I'm so popular.
Only with
Just,
the vlog.
I know. But as soon as I put this down, you guys are not my friends anymore.
It's the most embarrassing thing I've ever seen.
Why are we friends?
I don't want to be a friend.
Jordan's the mom taking the photo. It's great content.
If you promise me this will go on the vlog, I will run in and film it.
You got it.
You promise?
Yes.
All right, Mia, let's
Go.
do it.
Oh my god, it's freezing!
I promise you, Elbow.
Jordan, how are you feeling?
That really just woke me up from my...
It's very cold. Really wholesome activities over here. Is that a ball of sand?
Yeah.
Actually, this way.
Oh, look at her go. Let's see if she sticks the landing. Okay, here she goes. Oh, we're ready. Yay!
I'm so proud.
Look at it. It's so pretty. Bye. Unfortunately, for some reason, the cafeteria at our school closes at 7:30 on weekends, and of course, we got back at 7:25. So I just took a quick shower, and now we're gonna go to Whole Foods to get dinner. The Whole Foods hot bar, at least the one by our school, is so good. Like the pre-prepared food just is top notch, like so much better than the Whole Foods at home, and it's not too expensive either, so we're just gonna get dinner there. And tomorrow I need to get my room cleaned and laundry, and then it'll be more of like, you know, get stuff done weekend day. But yeah, today's been pretty fun. Yes. Okay, let me show you guys this prepared food section at Whole Foods. It is the best thing ever. The Whole Foods in Maryland is not like this. Like this salad bar is insane. And they have all the hot food over here. All sushi, prepared food. This is like my heaven. Oh, they're missing a lot. Soup, is that soup? Nope, it's empty. All that stuff. A lot of options. Oh my god. Yes. So
Guys, I was just saying how many likes for Ella to make a TikTok. Oh my gosh. 500. No, one.
Oh, I don't know.
How many? I think 500.
Yay.
Oh.
Mia's mad because she doesn't like donuts.
Weirdo!
It's okay, we're getting her milkshake. Good morning, guys. So it is nearly 11:30 right now. I actually got up at like 9 a.m. and let me tell you, it was kind of a late night. We were just like hanging out, literally just talking till like 2 a.m. So I don't know why I got up so early, but I did. I went to the gym, so that was a little productive. And we're gonna get brunch. We were supposed to leave at 11, but you know what? Some of us don't set alarms, so Mia just woke up and we're aiming for 11:45 now. There's this like really cute cafe in Venice Beach that we're gonna go to. Definitely not something we do every weekend, but we love to try like cute restaurants and stuff, so this should be fun. And then I kind of have a lot to do today. I need to like clean my room. It's getting really dusty and stuff, so I need to do that. I'm gonna try to do my laundry today. If I don't have time for that, I can probably do it tomorrow, but my laundry bag is like very full, so that should probably happen. My laundry bag has not been this full in forever. Like, it is so freaking heavy. I can barely close it. And then we have our first ever sorority meeting today at like 6:30. So, oh, and also I gotta start a little bit of homework, so you know, school. But yeah, that is my day. So now I'm just kind of waiting for everyone else to be ready, and then we can get some food because I'm starving. Here is my brunch outfit. So this dress is from Principessa. It's like a store in Venice actually. And then this jacket, it's a yellow corduroy one from Urban Outfitters. And then I just got on some Docs, and you know, that's it. It's actually super nice today. It's not as warm as yesterday, but it's like high 60s, so still, you know, really good weather. Obviously February, like I can't believe I live here. Like, it's just so nice all the time. Good morning. Good morning. Are you having a rough time? I'm so tired. Okay, so got the food, the blue smoothie bowl. It's like literally the best thing ever. We got it last time. Some ricotta pancakes, and then I got like a salmon bowl with avocado, egg, bread. I actually don't like tomatoes. So now that we are back from brunch, it is time to get my stuff done, get my life together. So first things first, I need to do my laundry. I mean, look at how freaking full this bag is. Like, I really think I might need to get 2 washers, which means 2 Tide Pods and 2 times the charge. Literally, this bag is so freaking full. I don't even know how this happened, but yeah, I have so much laundry. Okay, and while that is going, I'm just gonna take out our trash because it's starting to smell a little weird in here. Oh my gosh, so much. And now I can just like vacuum up everything. I have this little dust buster we have in our room. Actually really helpful for a dorm room. And then I need to like wipe everything down because it literally gets so dusty in here, especially the blinds. Like I have a duster, whenever I do it, it comes off black. Like it's so gross. Guys, I washed this dress I wore yesterday and apparently it was dry clean only because it is a little bit smaller. It's not horrible, like I can't tell if I could still wear it or not. It would just be like really short. I thought I would be fine because I didn't dry it, like I just washed it. But apparently that also shrinks stuff. Like I don't even, like how? I did kind of stretch it a little bit so it's a little bit bigger than when it first came out of the wash, but I'm gonna be so sad if this doesn't fit anymore. Like it was a good dress. So much freaking laundry to put away. Okay, so we just got dinner in the lair, which we have not done in forever. We pretty much eaten out all weekend, so tried to save some money in school, and we have our first ever sorority meeting today. So we'll see how that goes. We're just like getting the schedule basically. Okay, stop staring at me. We're just getting the schedule for the next couple weeks, months, and okay, don't leave me, guys. Now I feel awkward.
Who are you?
Okay, next stop of the day, or last stop of the day. I'm so tired, but we're going to our first ever sorority meeting. Jordan, what would you like to say? Oh, it's so dark.
We're going. It's a little dark right now, but
It is
we're
nighttime.
gonna learn about AP, what it's all about, and then
Oh yeah.
we have chapter tomorrow.
And then I'm gonna go to bed. Okay, I am so freaking excited to go to bed. I'm so tired, but yeah, that is gonna be it for today's or this weekend's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it and got a little bit of an insight of what my weekend looks like as a college student. Pretty much it's just a lot of fun. I'm just having the best time. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know in the comments down below if you have any other video requests you would like to see. Also, if you are not already following me on Instagram, as you could probably see from this vlog, I'm always taking Insta pics, so be sure to go follow me on there. It is at Ella_Lbells. And yeah, I guess that's it. So I will see you guys next week. Bye!